Oh, almost didn't hit the guy. Then what a bad driver I am. Medical supplies and a wrench. I will throw a wrench in the zombies' plans to attack me. Okay, that's cringe. Cut it out. Ooh, hatchet. That's actually a good weapon. I still prefer meat cleaver early games. I'm not that. I don't have that higher stats, but still, it's good. It can do a one shot. Now, if I said it could do a one shot, but then it didn't die in one shot. But the car can't do one shot a zombie. So yes, that's a very fair. Oh, thank you, random person. You gave me all the food I need for today, and medical supplies. And just not get rid of the car. Hope we got something like book on like medical stuff for. Actually, that's all I want. All I want from this bookstore is something good. Bookstores are better than just finding magazines because everyone on your team gets skill increase. Handyman's Bible, not bad. Especially considering Civilized is pretty good for to make a support character because you just have good mechanic. Well, it's not good. It's just that it's easier to raise it up. Maybe even more OP because you would have a level 3 mechanical and medical at the start. Tim, take a go or yes. Yep, that's how you hold it, you idiot. Okay, now you're holding it correctly. No offense. I'd be surrounded if they weren't so slow. Like, I can't even run at one of these guys without even getting the speed increase. I mean, ooh, toilet genie! Oh boy. That's a lot of zombies. That's also some good food. Nice. Got like 18 food from that. It's like 2.5 days with that's 2.25 days with a max group. Well, I mean not a max group. Because if everyone on your team has a certain perk trait, I don't remember exactly which one it is, like gourmet or something, just makes it so that you take 3 food instead of 2 food. So really, that you could be taking a total of like 12 food per day. And that's insane. Meat cleaver, it's really good because it's lighter than a hatchet and also does good damage. See, because I hit him and then he one shot him with the bolt war. So I don't think we can do that normally. Oh no, that's a group of zombies. What is a group of zombies called? Is it like a herd of zombies? Okay, to the car mobile. Away, we got food. Tim has literally the lowest mechanical. But look, now I have. If I can increase it once more, then I can be able to fix cars. Hey, look, he has really good loyalty. Me, because because you're shooting medical and mechanical. I can fix a car now. Shoot, person, I don't care. Nerd. What's my... Anyway, my shooting isn't terrible. Like, fire axe. Well, fire axe is actually bad. Like, you have a character with maxed out stats and you still need the fire axe because it's bad. Wait. No. That'd be terrifying, Tim. Okay, Rick, you gotta be buff for us. That's unfortunate. Okay, so, yeah, there is no way you're swinging a sledgehammer around. No, give him a gun. Ooh, loot room with absolutely nothing in it. You weren't even in Florida when I picked you up. That makes no sense. Yeah, morale. 90% of the time it's better to choose morale and random skill gain than like anything else. Unless you got max morale. Or you have like an anime girl in your team. I'm an anime fan. It's gonna be last thing for this episode. Boogie. Another reason Cleaver's OP, they have a cleavage rate, which makes sense. Which means that they have a chance of hitting multiple zombies at once. I mean, like, it's like the best light melee weapon that's not the golden knife. It's the best light melee weapon that you can consistently find. Because golden knives you can only find in, like, dark mansions, I think. So they're not as easy to come by. Just umbrellas. Alright, umbrellas. Yeah, umbrella shop is pretty bad. I mean, but there's nothing I could do at a dog shop. A pet shop. Because there are dogs there, but unless you have a friend of dog, you don't get anything from it. That was town one wasn't pretty good. Hopefully the next one will be better. Ooh, help her leg. Hey, yeah, good medical now. Actually, at that level, oh, that ends this episode. We like, comment, subscribe, if you like it. Bye.